Hi, I'm Utkarsh, and I'm building a Chrome extension that simplifies and upgrades how coders manage their practice problems. If you're tired of copy-pasting LeetCode or GFG problems into messy docs, this is built for you. We built a smart Chrome extension that detects the coding platform you're on and automatically captures the questions you solve. I will show you. It gives you two simple buttons. Generate Note opens an AI-powered chat side panel where you can ask questions and write clean notes. Dashboard lets you view, sort, filter, and manage all your questions and notes in one place. Let's click on the Generate Note button. The extension opens a clean and simple chat interface. At the top, you can see the question title, the problem description, your submitted solution code. Now, click Generate Note. Wait a moment for the AI to process the request. The AI generates a detailed question note, which includes the question title, relevant tags, your solution code, AI's recommended solution code with clear naming and proper comments. It also provides a short, clear, contextual note summarizing the problem. Useful interview preparation tips for this type of question. You can also discuss related questions. For example, you might ask, any other question to solve this question? Or, can you provide me better understanding? You can also save your AI-generated notes for future reference. Let's navigate to the dashboard. I have designed a clean and user-friendly interface that includes features like topic-based filtering, difficulty level selection, and sorting options for better accessibility. You can edit questions easily, save your solution code, write and store interview tips, add personal notes with Markdown support for rich text formatting. This project serves as the minimum viable product (MVP) for our hackathon submission. It focuses on delivering core functionalities like filtering by topic, difficulty levels, and sorting options, alongside the ability to edit questions, store solutions, and add notes or interview tips with Markdown support. The goal of this MVP is to showcase the essential features clearly and efficiently, providing a strong foundation for future development.